Hi everybody, this is just a brief little video to give you guys some instructions on assignment 5, option 1. So by now you guys should have looked over the assignment 5 instructions. So let me go ahead and pull those up for you guys. This is your last assignment. This is going to be your final. It's worth 40 points. And you guys have the choice of 3 options. So option 1, making a video, option 2, writing a paper, and then option 3, doing something called a cognitive map. So, like I said, this is the video for option 1. So if you guys have looked through this and decided to go with option 1, then this is your instruction video. So basically for option 1, you are making a video very similar to the video that you guys made in assignment 4. In this video, you are working on your DTT again, and basically the purpose of it is for you guys to practice different types of verbal operant trials, work on using a token economy, and then also work on kind of just making your DTT trials fast and ongoing and things like that. So the first thing you're going to do is select your learner, very similar to what you guys did in assignment 4. I would select an older learner, so one of your friends, something like that. And remember, if you guys, or you can use a puppet, if you guys do an actual learner, then make sure you have a consent or assent form, or a sent form. If you do a puppet, you don't need that. And then you guys are going to select your stimuli. So you need 3 pictures to use as stimuli. Once again, you can create these on your own. You can use objects around your house, however you want to do it. And then select your environment, so where you're going to do your DTT trials, and then create a token board. So I did a sample video for you guys, which I'll show you in a second. But basically, you can put as much time or as little time into your token board as you want. You only need to have 2 tokens, so you only need to have 2 slots for your tokens. And I just took some construction paper, put "you did it," made 2 circles, and cut out those 2 circles and then put smiley faces on them. So you guys will see that in the video. You can make one on your computer. You can just take a piece of paper, put 2 circles, use poker chips, however you guys want to do it. I just want to see that you've created a token board. You can hand your learner tokens when they get correct responses, and that they can trade those tokens in. Then you guys are going to make the video. So this is your procedure for the video. Everything's laid out for you. I said to pick a more advanced learner, like an older person, just because you don't need to do any type of error correction. So you want them to get all these trials correct, because the point is for you to work on your pace, so presenting the trials as quickly as possible, and then just providing those tokens after every 2 responses. So basically, you're going to start off like you did in the last one. So ask your learner what they want to work for. They select an item, remove the other items, and then the item they select, put to the side of you where they can see it, but they can't reach it. Same thing you guys did for the last one. Then, like I said, you're going to have 2 tokens. They're going to have to earn 2 tokens, and we're on an FR2 schedule. So 2 correct responses, and they get a token. And this is why it's important just to have an advanced learner to make sure that they get it right. So the stimuli that you choose, make it super easy. They should know them. And then these listener echoic trials, they should know those as well. So first trial you're going to do is attack. So hold up one of the pictures that you have, or present one of the pictures on the computer screen, whatever you're doing, and ask, what is it? They should get it right. They receive praise. Let's see. So they're on an FR1 schedule for praise, essentially, and then a token on an FR2 schedule. So they should get the attack trial correct. They get praise. And then you're going to do what we call listener behavior. So this is when you provide instruction and they respond as a listener. So you say, and I want you guys to give these same directions. So touch head, they should touch head, they get praise and a token. Then I want you guys to do a receptive identification, same thing you did in assignment 4. So put your 3 pictures in front of the learner, ask them to point to one of the stimuli, whatever it is. They should point to it because they should know it. You give them praise, and then an echoic trial. So you're going to remove the pictures and say B, and then they should say B. After that, they get their last token. They trade it into you, and they get their backup reinforcer or whatever they selected at the very beginning to work for up here. So once again, I just want you guys to practice some verbal operants, tax, echoics, your listener behavior, some receptive identification, and things like that. And then also practice that token economy, exchanging the tokens. And all these trials should be really fast. So after you do a tact, right after that, right after they get it right, do your listener. Right after they put their token on the board, do your receptive identification. Right after that, do your echoic. So it's very fast paced. Specifics are the same as assignment 4, so it needs to be an MP4 format. It should be 1 to 3 minutes long, actually closer to the 1 minute if you're going that fast, and if it's a little less than 1 minute, that's fine. These instructions are the same as assignment 4, so however you did it for assignment 4, do the same thing. Whenever I recorded my sample video, I usually do screencast-o-matic. It's super easy. It'll convert it to an MP4 format. You can use Zoom, Teams. I'll also convert it as well. And then if you want to edit it, just make sure that it looks nice and things like that. Then you're going to upload the video to either OneDrive or YouTube, either one, however you did it last time. OneDrive is just, I put OneDrive on there first. That's my preferred way for you guys to do it, just because it's, it goes along with the UH system. It's private. Only I'm going to be able to see it. But if you can't get it on OneDrive and you don't care if it's public, then you can also do it on YouTube. YouTube is probably simpler than OneDrive, but it also, for me to view it, it has to be public. So just kind of keep that in mind. And then to submit your video, you're going to go into the assignment, copy and paste the assignment link in the right submission box and submit it. So no questions to answer, nothing like that, because your format should be exactly like this. There shouldn't be anything else that's in there. So let me go back to the assignment. Here is my video that I did with my daughter. So you guys can see it shows you exactly what you're supposed to do. You can copy this. This is what your video should essentially look like. And then that's about it. And once again, to submit it, you're going to go to assignment 5. So whenever I have my YouTube video, I usually do my stuff on YouTube. But you're going to click on assignment 5. Once again, go to the right submission box and then post it in here. And that way I can click on it or copy and paste it. Alright guys, so that is option 1 for assignment 5. Please let me know if you guys have any questions as you're going through this. There's no test video, nothing like that. So if you guys do submit it before the due date, then just let me know and I can go in there and check it. But other than that, you should have had all your technology issues worked out for assignment 4. Also, one last thing, I extended the due date from the 4th to the 6th, so you guys have a couple of extra days to complete this assignment if you need it. So all right, please let me know if you guys have any questions as you're going through option 1. So thanks guys.